Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping Panda with the right build and emblem. This sets your power curve. Start in the safe jungle or side lane, clear the first camp fast, then look to secure a first kill or assist. Once you hit level 4, use Panda's gap close to pressure enemy squishies. Don't overcommit. Instead, pull back after a successful trade. Make sure to buy boots early and coordinate with your team for the first objective because map control compounds into later wins. Once you've secured early gold, shift to mid-game priorities. Pressure towers and hunt isolated targets. Use Panda's engage combo to burst a carry, then immediately rotate to a nearby lane. This keeps enemy resources scattered. Make sure to ward enemy jungle and time turtle spawns with your team. Control of objectives wins mid-game. If fights start going poorly, play off a frontliner and pick targets from flank positions rather than diving headfirst. In the late game, your goal is decisive target control. Either eliminate the enemy carry or create space for your team. Initiate on overextended heroes, but once the fight starts, reposition to protect allies if they're stronger. If the enemy has heavy crowd control, buy one defensive item to survive initial bursts and then re-engage. This small change often flips outcomes. If things still go wrong, stop forcing fights and switch to intelligent split push until your team regains vision and a coordinated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.